Hello everyone, I'm Joanne. Welcome to my craft room. So I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing. I got my BetterPress system the other day. I did order this when it was on sale at scrapbook.com. I am an affiliate for Spellbinders, scrapbook.com, and many other companies. There are links below for you to click on to place any crafting order. When you do that, I do receive a small commission, and that's at no cost to you. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. The thing I love about scrapbook.com is they always give you free stuff, okay? I love it. The sale was fantastic. But of course, you know, if you don't have the BetterPress system, I've shown many videos where you can BetterPress with your Platinum 6 or your die cutting machine if you have that little flimsy plate that goes through there. And we've done fantastic and beautiful BetterPressing with that. Now, let's just go. I got to show you the free stuff. So here is, this was free. I had to place, like, I forget what size order, but of course this qualified for it. And this silicone mat, it's like 15 by 24, I think it is, or some. It's the large one, and I received this for free. I'm not going to open it yet. I might have a friend that I want to give that to. It's not that I might have a friend. I do have a friend that I think if she doesn't have one, I'd like to give it to her. So let's look at all these other pretties that I received. Here is the roses. This is 40 sheets of colored cardstock. So pretty. Let's undo this right here. So this is card front. Oh, it has another piece on the other side. These are actually card fronts, so that you don't have to cut anything, which I think is fantastic. Now look at how pretty. All of these reds. Ooh, there's some nice brown. Oh, I know a tree I'd like to make out of that. And one of my favorite new collections from Spellbinders is, I have to show you, I've done a couple of videos. I hope to make a really nice card today, but it is this one right here. The Backyard Haven is what is one of my new faves, and this tree, I have an idea with this. I have many ideas with that window. Anyway, yes, but look at, oh, that peach is so pretty. The oranges, and I love that brown. So this is double-sided. I really like that. And it's A2 size. There's 40 sheets, so that was free. And the mat. And then here are these little skinny adhesive sheets, the foam adhesive sheets, 1/8 of an inch wide. I got this for free. And I use these, I use little strips like this, little sheets all the time. I've been cutting mine from some double-sided foam that I had found, but now to have it like this is just going to be so much easier. So let's look at this BetterPress. I can't even stand it. Oh, you received in this sale. You got this these plates. Hello from me. Thank you with love and best wishes. You know, just all the sentiments that you really need. And there is dies. I just love that they're including dies with these now. I think that that's just fantastic. I'm so excited about this. So let's see. I swore I was not getting another system in this house, but I couldn't resist the sale, guys. And I know many of you purchased this because of my reports. So in here you got a little roll of the Best Ever Craft Tape. You got some BetterPress black ink. And then I thought it was fantastic that they sent the card base, and I think this comes in bisque and the white, or maybe all three colors, something like that. Anyway, oh my goodness, and look at this. You get another plate. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I can't even stand it. So like, even if there's not a sale and you want to get into this system, I of course will link below with scrapbook.com and Spellbinders. So we'll take all of this off. Comes packaged quite nicely. This is magnetic. Let's just see how this works. You know, it's one thing to watch the videos, but then when you get it in your hand, it's another thing to play with it, right? There's the instructions. Okay, there's that. This is magnetic. This plate is supposed to go, oh yes it does. Oh wow. And see, it's springy, so they always tell you don't push down on it when you release it. We're gonna have to do something here, right? Let's do something. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And you know, let me just say this. If it wasn't for you guys ordering, I wouldn't have this. So thank you so much. Look how pretty that flower is. And this one says, what does this say? It's hard to read backwards. To you. Let's see. Well, we might have to just BetterPress that to see what it says. I see thanks right here. Let's just do that. Let's just see what it does. Who cares, right? Let's just play. Let's just play for a second here. These are the shims. And depending on, yeah, I guess your machine and the thickness of paper and whatever, you decide how many, you know, what shims you need in there. Yes, this does give us all 3 colors of paper. Oh my goodness. So that's kind of a grayish color, and then there's like a bisque color, and then there's a white. So it did give me all 3 plus the ink. I already have a BetterPress black, so I'm going to use that one. And I have the Best Ever Craft tape, but I'm always happy to have more, right? So in here, from what I understand, you remove this plate, and now Spellbinders does have replacement plates for this, and you put your shims in. There's 3 shims. Let's make sure that we have 3 shims. 1, 2, 3. So see, you can take them out if you need to. I'm going to work with the 3 just to see, okay? I mean, it's just my first time ever doing this. I have no idea. I can't read that backwards. So let's see what they say. Now, this would not be something that that I have dies for to cut out. This would just be something that I would need to color. And I will say, with using the Platinum 6, oh my goodness, look at that sit there. From using the Platinum 6, you know, I haven't had the magnetic anything. So let's just see. And look at that nice grid. To my, let's see. You know what? I really want to just see what this, let's see what this says. Let's move this aside. Let me get a piece of scrap paper. Let me just ink this right here. Now I'm just going to turn it upside down and push it with my fingers. Oh, to my favorite person. Oh, I love that. Okay, to my favorite person is one of them. And let's see about the other one. To my favorite person. Let's see, to my favorite. I think this one says to my favorite person. Let's just see. Yes, to my favorite person. To my favorite person. Wait a minute. Did I ink? Oh, one is just smaller than the other. Isn't that cool? Just different sizes. Well, now, that's all right. I like that. Just different sizes says the same thing. Let me go ahead and move this over here. I'll clean those in just a second. I have to place an order. I want the ink. I want pretty ink because Spellbinders came out with some pretty ink. And I need the archival ink cleaner. So right now Spellbinders has a deal for, if you spend $125, they give you $25 off. So that's a really great deal in itself. I've already got my cart ready with that. Hopefully today I'll be able to place a little order. Okay, let's use the little one. to my favorite person. Right there. Okay. Now, you push and wiggle, like do a pounce and a wiggle. And yes, the ink is going to get on here. We'll clean it. But like I say, now I'm glad they have a replacement. If you get too much ink on there, from what I understand, wipe it off so that it does not transfer to your card. Look at that. Let's see how we do, guys. What do you think? Now, I did not test this. I've not tried it. I've not anything did. I just opened it up with you guys, and I'm going to remove some of this little ink right here. Without touching my plate. Okay, now let me go ahead and put the top on. Oh no, let's go ahead and use some cardstock. Ooh, let's use this grayish color, right? So let me move this aside and let's turn this around. And what you do is you put it, see it has A2 and then A7, that's for like a 5x7 card. I mostly do A2 cards, but 5x7s are in. So that's also fantastic. Now what happened here? Okay, there. Okay. Let me get my best ever craft tape out here that they sent. And what they suggest is to tape this down. Oh, I'm so excited. Into the grid right here. And I've seen many people use sticky mats and this and that, but to me that adds bulk. So I just wanted to use my shims and the way that the system came. But you know, if you add something like that, you might just need to take a shim out, right? So let me just do 2 right there. And let's bring this back over. And let's go ahead and put this on top without pressing down. Use your handle. That's from what I understand. And let's bring the BetterPress in. Let's roll this through. The pressure of the machine will transfer to the plates. Okay, you're seeing this just happen, okay? It is, oh, I wasn't supposed to touch that. See, you're not supposed to touch it like that, but I did. Got to remember to use the handle and the sides. Okay, let me move this out of the way. So we might have a boo-boo on that one. I don't know. And let's see what we get. Wow, those magnets. Oh my goodness, it's totally lined up. I love it. Now see right here, I don't have as much ink as probably what I should, but do you run it back through? Can you? Question, right? You know, we're just trying it out, okay? So it seems to be in this area of this flower that I might have missed a little bit. To me, it's like a positioning device, right? Let's try it. Now, I could completely mess this up. We're not going to touch that. Okay, we're going to come this way. We're going to run it back through again. I love the way it feels going through the machine. I'm using my hand on the bottom and using the handle. Let's move this aside. And like I said, I might have just messed up something very pretty, but hey, I am experimenting. Wow, these magnets are something. It did it! Oh my goodness, look guys! I ran it back through because it's all lined up. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. Okay, I'll clean this in just a sec. I did it! You know, you never know when you're making a video what could happen, especially in this craft room. If you all have followed me, there are times when I am just a disaster. And but I appreciate you all hanging in there with me. Now, it is pressed into this paper. So pretty. I know you can't see the press on camera, okay? And it's definitely pressed differently than when I press it with platinum and then the rubber mat. So I'm very happy with my purchase. I want to thank everyone for purchasing this system when they did have the sale, and look forward to many more videos using this. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy with that. That can be watercolored, which is what I'll probably do with it. You know, or alcohol colored, or whatever that you want to do there. Just gorgeous. I'm so happy with that. I'm so and I love this color paper. All right, everyone, thanks again for watching. Just a real quick video, and thank you so much again for purchasing this BetterPress system through scrapbook.com from me. You really made my month. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so very, very much. So have a wonderful day. I'm going to go ahead and work with my Spellbinders Backyard Haven here in just a second. I want to do the swing, and I saw this done with acetate, so that's coming up next, okay? All right, everyone. See you next time. Have a great day.